It is Friday, 8:45 in the morning. I am heading out to go get groceries right now. Usually I go a little bit before this, like around 8. But I did not feel like moving this morning. So I watched a podcast and just lounged on the couch for a little bit. And then I went up to get coffee and realized I'm out of coffee creamer, I'm out of heavy cream, I'm out of milk, I'm out of like anything that you could put in coffee. I tried putting cappuccino in coffee. Yeah, that was terrible. I dumped it. So I am coffeeless. I was sipping on like black coffee and I just can't do it. So first stop this morning is definitely to grab something at the gas station. Oh my gosh, I'm just a mess. Everything's falling. I am going with a triple shot energy, rich vanilla. I don't know, that's what we're going with. All right, now to do the worst part of it all. Get groceries. Ugh. That's just great. Freaking great. I spilled water all over me. Dailin helped me put all of the groceries away, so Dalton is still sleeping. Pretty sure he stayed up all night, so I wasn't gonna wake him up, but she helped me. She's like, I'm bored, can I just like organize stuff? Yes, you can. So she helped me with that. We got all of the groceries put away. Now what's kind of left before I need to get some like laundry and stuff done before I have to go to work this evening is I would like to kind of wipe down the shelves in here and then just kind of clean out the fridge. I meant to do it yesterday before I went out and got groceries today, but that didn't happen. Instead I did baking. I did banana muffins, I did some chocolate covered strawberries, I baked cinnamon rolls, which I'm not good at doing cinnamon rolls, but it was a pretty basic recipe where you use vanilla pudding in with it, and then I feel like there's something else, but I did some baking yesterday, so today is kind of a wipe down. I need to clean the fridge, and that will be it. I am officially done with everything that I wanted to get done today. I don't know where to put this. I still really want to redo this pantry. I just don't want to, it's such a big project that I don't want to start it and then maybe working more. And then I have like a half done pantry, and that would drive me even more nuts than if I were to just leave it alone, which it's fine. I just would like to like vamp it up a little, you know, paint, new shelves, that kind of thing, but we'll see. I'm putting that project on hold for a little bit, but everything just kind of needed a quick wipe down. My kids, they cook, they bake, and so the fridge and like especially the sugar and flour and stuff, it always gets super sticky on the outside because they're using it. So I just kind of wanted to wipe their little sticky fingers off of everything, but everything is organized. The fridge is cleaned out. I rearranged stuff. It's probably going to drive my husband nuts that I like moved stuff around, but he'll have to deal with it. I moved the, I don't know why I did. I moved the, like the cheese tray. I moved it like over, and then I kind of switched some stuff around down here. So people are going to go to like reach for it and be like, oh well. When you clean, you get to make the decisions, right? All right, I need to get laundry done, dishes, and make dinner and get ready for work. I work 5 to 10 tonight, so I should be getting home at around 11. And then I also bartend tomorrow night too, same 5 to 11. But it is cruise night and 3 French Hens market. So they're gonna have a market going on downtown during the day, and then cruise night, which is where everybody brings their cars and you walk along the main street of our downtown and kind of look at all the cool cars. But I think it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I'm not sure how busy we will be. I think today's gonna be a little bit slower though, just because of the rain. But I gotta get some stuff done. It is almost 2 o'clock. I have to leave here at 4:30, so a couple hours to get all that stuff done before I head into work. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.